Good afternoon once again. My name is Boniface Murebi. Registration number is band 050081 stroke 2021. Combination is geography and Kiswahili. And this is topic 2. Topic 1, we are discussing about the earth formation and the various structures that are formed through the various processes that occur in the interior of the earth and various layers of the earth, and various outland to formation of various physical features like the mountain, ridges, trenches. And today, topic 2, we'll discuss about the weather and the climate. About the weather, I'll take you through the objectives. By the end of this topic, the learner should be able to understand Earth atmosphere, the element of weather, climate classifications, factors influencing climate, the implication of climate change, weather pattern, weather phenomena, and the climate zones. Weather and climate are a fundamental aspects of physical geography that govern the conditions, that governs the condition and the patterns of the Earth atmosphere. They play a crucial role in shaping ecosystem, human activity, human societies, and the overall environment. This topic explores the dynamic processes of the atmosphere, the factors that contribute to the climate and the different regions, factors that contribute to the climate of different regions, and the ever-evolving nature of weather. Atmosphere and weather. The Earth atmosphere is a complex system composed of layers, each with unique characteristics. The troposphere is the lowest layer and is where weather events occur. It contains varying levels of temperature, humidity, and air pressure, which indirectly influence our daily weather. Above the troposphere are the stratosphere, mesosphere, the thermosphere, and the exosphere, each with a specific properties. In the troposphere, several key elements define weather conditions. These include temperature, humidity and air pressure, wind, and precipitation. Temperature variation are due to the unequal distribution of solar energy across the Earth's surface. Understanding temperature pattern is essential in predicting weather and climate. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor in the air. High humidity refers to the amount of water vapor in the air. High humidity can make hot days feel even hot, and it influences cloud formation and precipitation. Air pressure or atmosphere pressure is the weight of the atmosphere above a particular location. It plays a significant role in determining wind pattern and weather system. Wind is the movement of air mass across the Earth's surface, driven by differences in the air pressure. Wind patterns such as the trend winds, prevailing westerlies, and the polar easterlies are responsible for the transporting heat and moisture around the planet, influencing weather system and the climate. Precipitation includes the various forms of moisture falling from the atmosphere, such as rain, snow, sleet, and hail. It is closely tied to humidity and temperature, and different regions experience varying types of amount of precipitation depending on the graphical locations and weather pattern. What is climate change? Climate and climate change. Climate refers to the long-term pattern of weather condition in a particular region. It comprises it encompasses various elements, including temperature, precipitation, humidity, and wind pattern. Understanding the factors that contribute to the climate is vital and characterizing different regions and predicting future climate change. Climate classification, such the classification, such as climate classification system, class, class, climate classification system categorize regions based on their temperature and precipitation pattern. For example, tropical climate are characterized by the consistency, warm temperature, and high humidity, while polar climates are defined by extreme cold and little precipitation. Factors affecting climate include latitude, altitude, proximity to the water bodies, and the ocean current. Latitude plays a significant role in determining temperature, while equatorial regions receiving more direct sunlight and therefore experience warmer conditions. Altitude influences temperature and precipitation, while high altitude generally be cooler and wetter. Proximity in water bodies, that's another point that influences climate. What proximity to water bodies such as ocean and seas can moderate temperature extremes. Coastal areas tend to have milder and more stable climate due to heat absorbing and heat releasing properties of coastal areas tend to have more stable climate due to heat absorbing and heat releasing properties of water. Ocean currents like the Gulf Stream transport warm and cold water across the seas, impacting the climate of nearby coastal regions. Climate change is critical concern in field of physical geography. It refers to long-term alteration. Okay, we have discussed climate, various factors that influence climate. Now, climate change is another subtopic, and climate change is a critical concern in the field of physical geography. It refers to a long alteration in the Earth climate pattern, primarily driven by human activities, including the burning of fossil fuel, deforestation, and industrial processes. The consequences of climate change are widespread and include rising global temperatures, melting polar ice caps, sea level rise, more frequent and severe weather events, and shifts in ecosystem. Understanding whether climate change, its causes, and understanding climate change, its causes, and its potential consequences is essential for developing strategies to mitigate its impact. These strategies involve reducing greenhouse gas emission and conserving of resources and adapting to changing climate. Let's go to weather pattern and phenomena. The earth weather pattern are the result of complex atmospheric interactions influenced by the various factors, including solar radiation, air masses, and graphical features. Weather systems include the high pressure system, low pressure system, and fronts. High pressure systems are areas of sinking air. High pressure system are areas of sinking air that creates stable and often fair weather conditions. Lower pressure systems, on the other hand, are characterized by rising air, which can lead to the cloudy, rainy, and stormy weather. Fronts are boundaries beyond different air masses with distinct temperatures and moisture levels meet, often causing changes in weather patterns. Weather phenomena such as the cyclones and anticyclones play a significant role in global weather system. Cyclones are cyclones are characterized by low pressure systems and counterclockwise air circulation in the northern hemisphere. Cyclones can lead to severe weather, including hurricanes, typhoons, and tornadoes. Anticyclone, conversely, are associated with the high pressure systems and typically result in stable weather conditions. Monsoons are a season. Monsoons are a severe definition of monsoons are a seasonal wind pattern that bring wet and dry period to certain regions. This seasonal shift in wind pattern significantly affect regions in South Asia and, for instance, leading to the distinct weather monsoon season and dry season. El Nino and La Nina are oceanic phenomena known as the El Nino Southern Oscillation. El Nino is characterized by unusual warm sea surface temperature in the Pacific Ocean and can lead to various climate anomalies worldwide, such as drought and floods. La Nina, conversely, involves cooler sea surface temperatures and can also influence global weather patterns. We'll go to climate zones. The Earth is divided into several distinct climate zones, each characterized by specific temperatures and precipitation patterns. These zones include the tropical, the arid, temperature, and the polar climate. Tropical climates are typically found near the equator and are characterized by consistent warm temperatures and high humidity. They are often associated with lush rainforest and diverse ecosystem. Arid climates, also known as the deserts, receives very little rainfall and are often characterized by extreme temperatures and arid landscape. Desert regions can be found on very continents, and they pose unique challenges for life and resource management. Lastly, understanding climate change, its causes, and the potential consequences is essential for developing strategies to mitigate its impact. These strategies involve reducing greenhouse emissions and conserving resources and adapting to the changing and climate. Oh, sorry. Temperate climate are characterized by moderate temperatures in distant distance. They often feature deciduous tree, forest, grassland, and fertile agricultural regions. These climates are common regions like the United States, Europe, and part of Asia. Polar climates are found near the Earth's poles and are characterized by extreme cold temperatures, especially in winter. These regions have unique ecosystem adapted to the harsh conditions, such as the tundra and the ice sheet. Climate diagrams like the climograph provide a visual presentation of climate data, including the temperatures and the precipitation. They are essential tools in assessing and comparing climate conditions in different regions. Biomass are large-scale ecosystems associated with specific climate zones. They include the forest, grasslands, deserts, and tundra, each with distinct vegetation and wildlife adapted to their respective environment conditions. In summary, topic 2, weather and climate encompasses a wide range of essential concepts within a physical geography. It explores the other atmosphere layers, weather patterns, climate classifications, climate change, and the significance weather phenomena. Understanding these elements is crucial for the comprehending of dynamic nature of our planet and the far-reaching impact of weather and climate on ecosystems, human societies, and the environment. That was the last part. Okay, today we have discussed about the various things. Weather, weather, climate, weather and climate. Climate, we have seen that climate is the condition of atmosphere of a given time for our long period of time, that is the 30 to 35 years. And weather is the climatic condition of a place of a short period of time. We have discussed various factors that influence climate, that is temperature, humidity, precipitation. And we have discussed climatic zones, that is tropical, polar. That's the end of our lesson for today. And we'll continue from there at the next lesson. Have a nice day. Bye.